So as you guys may have seen in the title, the Supra is going to get wrapped. I got some black carbon wrap for the roof that I'm gonna try to do today from Vivid. From my research, this is kind of a name brand vinyl because I didn't want to put some cheapo brand name on it. And then got the heat gun, some isopropyl alcohol, and then there's some other things I gotta grab from the store real quick. But once I get that stuff, I'm gonna head over to my grandparents' garage and I'm gonna try to do it in there. Today I'm just gonna be doing the carbon, but tomorrow I'm gonna be going to Jeffrey's house and me and him are gonna tag team doing the side of the vehicle because there's a livery design that I made on like Forza and I'm gonna try to recreate it on my car. Hopefully get it done in time for Adam's event coming up in a few days, and then I'm gonna drive down to it and yeah. But yeah, we're gonna try to see how this turns out. This is gonna be my first time vinyl wrapping a car, so hopefully it goes well because I didn't really buy any extra vinyl, but yeah.
What's going on, guys? We got some special things going on. I messed that up. We gotta restart. We gotta restart that. Psych, there ain't no restarting. What's up, guys? You already know what we're probably doing today. We're wrapping up the car.
All right, so yesterday I got the carbon roof done. It took a bit, but I finally finished it. It looks pretty good for my first time, I would say. There are some spots where you can see some lines in it, and then there's like some specks on it too. But other than that, from a distance, it looks pretty good. But we're here at Jeffrey's house, and we're gonna do the rest of the sides and the hood, and just do like some of the stripes and stuff that I made. I'll probably pop in some images here. Give it a few seconds. And yeah, but I don't know how much footage we're gonna get here because the lighting is not that great. So, and I don't know how long my batteries are gonna last because my batteries all died yesterday and I didn't bring my charger with me. So however long I'm gonna get the usage out of them, that's how long the footage will be, so. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Like, she literally pried it out so easily. Like, how?
Something that's popping it, I think, then.
She got at it from this angle, but she had like one of those plastic pry bars. Obviously we don't have that, but. And she just went down in there and just went like that and popped it. Bro, really?
You got it?
It was one of the easiest
Really?
things done.
Did it rip off?
No.
Oh.
But like, it was so stupid simple.
Dude.
I was just too afraid to break it. That's
Josh,
it.
look how dirty it is, dude.
Well, yeah, look at this. This is dirty all in there.
I know.
It's because it doesn't get washed. But yeah, so now we can kind of like get it, cut it in here.
Well, thank God we got that
Sort
out.
of ordeal. I'm
Let's
gonna
do
go.
the other one.
Yeah. Like, it's so weird. You just feel like you're gonna break it. But
Yeah. Oh, it's so small. See what I mean? Like, you feel like you're just gonna break the little knob stuff.
Yeah. Because I was so worried about breaking it. Because if I break it, then I'm kind of screwed. Because then I leave for Florida like Thursday.
Yeah.
And then I'd be riding down to Florida.
With that.
Well, active arrow.
I'd be so upset, bro.
Here's your screwdriver. Kabooey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. What did you run into? I didn't do that. Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Get the white. I didn't do that. Let's see if this is big enough. Oh my god. Bruh. Bruh. I knew this was a bad idea from the start. Be long enough. So it meets right there in the wiper, but I think this one gets shoved out more this way.
I don't know why I put the flashlight on there.
Because the body line, like from the bumper, that little divot there, that's where it kind of started. It kind of goes up through there and you can see it sort of right there in that reflection. And it comes up right there, like up to here. Unless I just don't do that extra curve and then I just go like this. I just go this way with it.
Big man, it'd probably be a lot easier if you go straight up.
I just don't have that flick in it, and it's not as thick of a line.
That white flick?
Yeah, so
You're not gonna do the white flick?
this, I wouldn't have that in it if I did it like this. It'd be easier to do like that, because then I don't have to worry about getting that corner in.
That's true.
But,
hey.
it doesn't work.
Try that one.
Dude, it's not sticking to the hood.
Try that one.
They don't stick.
Try that one.
I mean, they stick to my roof, but they don't stick to the hood.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.
Last run of qualifying, last run you guys are going to see on the pre-cast live stream. Jimmy Oaks in the lead, Chris Worthing in the chase, off the line they go, and at first off the line for Jimmy Oaks, not going to catch up here, he's got to cut the course to stay in it. Working with that front steering wheel. It just looks like he doesn't have the pace to stay with Jimmy Oaks. It shuts down a little bit. There's definitely a mechanical issue with Chase. It's going to be TJ Hunt in the lead. We go back at it again. The barriers overwatching that first corner just a tad. Oh, and it looks like we may have a mechanical issue with Marco's car. Oh, and it's been an overtake. It's getting a little bit messy. He's going to FC. Good job in that. slamming the door saying, get closer. Davis versus Sean Booth. Rocket ship to the left. Sean Booth. No,
Alright, so it's been a few days after Adam's event. We went down to Florida for that. I didn't record much for that. Obviously, you guys saw that previously before this. Now we're in Tennessee on the Tail of the Dragon. It's my first time here. Pretty interesting. Really tight compared to what a lot of videos show. And we were gonna stop at the store and stuff, but I guess because it's winter, it's closed up right now. So I had to find a spot to pull off to kind of set up the GoPro and stuff. We're gonna switch to that in a minute and get you guys set up. Alright, so we did end up stopping at like the, I think it was number 4 mile marker. So we were already like probably a quarter into it at that point. But from the rest of it, it was actually pretty fun. A lot tighter and like narrower compared to what other people show like on their YouTube channels and stuff like that. And because it's winter time right now, the road was completely dead. Like you guys see how other people do it during like the summer and stuff, and it's like crazy. I don't know, I wouldn't fly around that with so many people on it. So we finished up with that and pulled off to the side of the road here because that was the end of the trail. Got a few photos of my car, like in some of these pull off spots too. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, got a new sticker when we went to the compound earlier this week. Got to tour the compound with James and Adam. They showed me around a little bit. It was late at night, so it didn't really show much, but got a new sticker on the car because the other one from 2 years ago was getting a little bit destroyed. The vinyl got finished right before the trip down, although on the trip back up, I guess on the highway a rock hit it, and so now the stripe here is damaged. Could have damaged the hood a little bit, I don't know. I have to check it out when we get back home. But yeah, I got the stripes finished on it. Came out really well for me doing it my first time at that. But yeah, so just gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoy it. That was the whole trip and process of going down to Florida and coming back up. Driving Trail of Dragons has been one of my things I've been wanting to do, and just so happened got the opportunity to do it this time around. So, yeah.